Yeah, man, I made something happen, man. I got stuck over there, man, but I made it happen, man. RJ, man, what's happening, man?
What's up? I was just praying for this spot that I'm in now. I had to get it on my own with no hand out. It took some time and some work, but I'm the man now. I feel like I'm growing up, I'm buying land now. Trying to get that ownership. They see it like I made, so they assume that I'm loaning it. If I go broke, who gon' help me? Who gon' feed me? If I didn't have no money, would she leave me? They gon' leave me when I'm down, not when I'm up. They just wanna see me lose, but they get no love. They just wanna see me snooze, but I sleep enough. Gotta outwork the competition. I don't like to get attached, I keep my distance. If we spending too much time, it's like instant. I know she gon' fuck my mind, I can sense it. Gotta cut her off, gotta let her go. On the road to riches, I don't got no room for company.
Yeah, man. So we about to slide over here and grab some Jimmy John's, man. Yeah, I've been talking about this damn restaurant for some woo-woo. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta go get me some of that, man. Let me lock that door. Hopefully I can get back out of that bit though, boy. I made it in here. Hopefully I can get out of here. I have to. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do it, but I'll figure that out once I get my food. Damn, bro. Oh my God.
Oh, shit.
It's like 10 inches of fucking snow.
No, we gotta get up here, bro. Come on.
Oh shit. Damn.
Nigga, I can't do this. Hell no, we here now. Come on. Shit.
Huh?
Shit.
Yeah, why? Damn, RJ. That's like 10 inches of snow. Damn. Oh yeah, this that New York. Boy, it's cold out here though. Whew. Man, it get crazy in the field, man. It get crazy out here, man. What's going on? Cut that down some. I'm about to call these people right quick about these rates and stuff on that load, but I want y'all to hear how they be and stuff. It's a tarp load and it pays under $1 a mile. Hey, I was calling about the postal law coming out of Raleigh, North Carolina, going to Alabama.
Hey, yeah, sorry, man. I got that covered.
All right, thank you, sir. He got that covered, dude. That load was paying under $1 a mile, and I'm not gonna take it. I wanted to mess with his head, and I wanted to get at least $2.20 a mile or better. As long as I'm in that $2 margin, I'll be straight. But anything under $2, I'm not taking. And you guys should not do the same thing, because a lot of you guys right now messing up the rate con. I'm looking on the board right now. It's nothing coming out of NC right now, North Carolina. So the rates right now are terrible. I don't know if you can see it, but they're terrible right now. And there's nothing really coming in, there's nothing really coming out. I mean, I have to go deadhead back to Virginia, but I got away from Virginia because I was stuck in the snow. So, whew, I lost my keys up there, everything, man. I lost everything up there, man. I'm like, dang, man, I gotta get out of here. Man, this traffic shit crazy. You said what, bro? This traffic shit hell out here, man. Hell on the scale, man. All I need to do is get to this exit 104 so that I can let these birds go. Yeah, man. Hey, man. And they say the exit is up here. It is 2 miles down. And they talking on this CB radio like, yeah, nigga. Tractor trailer flew off the edge. Man, what is good, man? It is snowing out here. It is snowing out here. Yes, sir. Man, it get wicked out here, man. Woo! Yo, man, it's snowing out here, man. But it's time to go get something to eat, man. I got snow all on my pants and stuff. Snow on my nuts. But guess what? Hopefully I can come in here and get something to eat. Cause I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna grab something to eat and we're gonna head out. That's the move, man. Let's get it, let's go. You alright, bud? I didn't even bring my damn mask. Man, that snowstorm out here right now, man. Dang, man, it get real in the field, man. It get real in the field, man. Yes, they said you ain't been through the snow, man. You ain't no trucker, man. Amen, say, man. That thing coming down hard out here, man. I'm talking about like it's coming down hard. That thing trying to slap the whole cup. It's coming fast. It's like the deeper and deeper part I get to it, the harder and harder it goes.